how to turn on or off advanced gas controls on Metamask wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off advanced gas controls. So all what you have to do is go to your wallet, your Metamask wallet. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the top right here and go to your settings. After you choose your settings, now you need to go to advanced right here and then go down and you will find advanced gas controls, as you can see right here. Now just click on it like this and it's turned it on, and if you want to disable it, just click on it like this and it's disabled. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.